Hello, and welcome to Summarize Science, where we break down the latest research. Today, we're looking at a huge challenge for AI: how to understand what's happening in very long videos without having to watch every single second. A new paper called TimeSearch-R proposes a fascinating solution that teaches an AI to search for information much like a human would. Most previous AI models would just sample a fixed number of frames from a video before even starting to think about the question. As you can see in part A of this diagram, it's a very rigid, handcrafted process. TimeSearch-R, shown in part B, introduces a new paradigm called interleaved text video thinking. This means the AI actively alternates between reasoning about the problem and searching the video for relevant clips, constantly refining its understanding. But teaching an AI to do this is tricky because it can learn bad habits. For example, as shown on the left, it might perform an insufficient temporal exploration, meaning it gets lazy and stops searching before it has found all the critical frames. On the right, we see another problem: inconsistent logical reasoning, where the AI's step-by-step thinking process doesn't actually support its final answer. It's like getting the right answer on a math test, but showing the wrong work. To solve these problems, the researchers came up with a brilliant technique they call completeness self-verification. Here's how it works. After the AI performs its search and provides an answer, they take the video clips it found and ask it the same question again. Crucially, the AI is not allowed to search anymore. If it can still get the answer right using only the evidence it gathered, it proves that its initial search was thorough and its reasoning was consistent. So, does this new method actually work better? Looking at this table of results for temporal search, the answer is a resounding yes. In the temporal F1 column, which measures how well the AI finds the right time segments, TimeSearch-R scores an 8.1, which is more than 3 times better than the previous best method. The performance boost isn't just for finding clips, it's also for overall understanding. On the long video benchmark, TimeSearch-R establishes a new state-of-the-art score, improving on the base model by a significant 4.1%. This example here perfectly illustrates the AI's human-like reasoning in action. The question is why the dogs are lying in a row. The AI first forms a hypothesis that they might be posing for a photo and then performs a targeted search for a person taking a photo to confirm its theory before giving the final answer. So, to recap the key points, TimeSearch-R makes AI watch videos more intelligently using a dynamic think-then-search process. The secret sauce is a self-verification step that forces the AI to be thorough and logical, ensuring it gathers enough evidence to support its conclusions. This breakthrough could lead to much more powerful and reliable AI systems for tasks like analyzing hours of security footage, summarizing movies, or creating highlights from a long sports match. Essentially, it's a major step toward AI that not only finds answers, but can also show a logical and understandable thought process for how it got there.